Today, we will be discussing the difference between programming and programming languages. Many people often use these terms interchangeably, but they actually refer to two different concepts. So, let's dive in and learn more about programming and programming languages. Programming is the process of designing, writing, testing, and maintaining computer programs. It involves creating a set of instructions that the computer can understand and execute. Programming is a skill that involves problem solving and logical thinking. A programmer uses programming languages to write these instructions. Programming languages are a set of rules that provide a structured approach to writing code. There are many programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and many more. Each programming language has its own syntax and rules that must be followed. Some languages are better suited for certain tasks than others. For example, Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a popular choice for beginners. On the other hand, C++ is a more complex language that is used for high-performance applications. Programming languages are not the same as programming itself. Programming languages are simply a tool used to write code. Just because someone knows a programming language doesn't mean they are a good programmer. Programming requires much more than just knowing a programming language. A programmer must have a deep understanding of algorithms, data structures, logic, and problem-solving skills.